LAVA introduced the YUVA 3 Pro smartphone in India in December 2023. The in-house company is developing a YUVA 3 Pro successor. Today, the specs and live photos of the upcoming LAVA YUVA 4 Pro 5G has been made public. Paras Gulani teamed up with 91 Mobiles Hindi. The device name confirms it as 5G connection despite the processor having only 4G capabilities. According to the phone, the smartphone has a circular camera island just like the industry's next mid-range model. The LED flash and two cameras are located on the camera island. The images show it will have a 50 megapixel main camera. The Indian brand will unveil the device with AI camera capabilities. On the left side of the smartphone is a LAVA branding and 5G tag. The live photo posted online confirmed the phone will feature a blue color. A variety of colors are anticipated for the next LAVA smartphone launch. It seems that LAVA is departing from the current design plan to enhance the smartphone feel in the hand. It's rumored to be powered by the Dimensity 6080 chipset, which is a 6 nanometer chipset built upon 6 Cortex A55 cores, 2 Cortex A76 cores, and a Mali G57 GPU. The processor will have a maximum 6 GB of RAM. It will come with Android 13 preloaded, and you should expect 2 major Android updates. They'll have 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel primary secondary camera and 16 megapixel